In this video, we're going to look at what it's like to take a hearing test for the AirPods Pro 2 hearing aid function. If hearing loss is detected in the test, AirPods Pro can then be used as hearing aids to boost voices and other sounds. Before the test, the app confirms a good fit or seal with the AirPods. It also confirms that you're in a quiet environment. It also doesn't want to perform the test if you have a cold or you were at a loud concert the night before. When the test begins, it plays tones into one ear at a time, left ear first. Each time a tone is heard, you just need to tap the screen. This is what those tones sound like. They'll vary in pitch and volume, getting very, very quiet. Hard to detect even if you have no hearing loss. The test for each ear takes a few minutes. Thankfully, this test detected little to no hearing loss. 25 or more decibels of loss is considered mild. These results are then saved in the Health app. Thanks for watching.